Hello everyone, welcome to CAD/CAM tutorial. In this video I am going to discuss the appearance hierarchy in SolidWorks. Similar to other 3D modeling softwares, we can apply appearance, we can apply color to part file and assembly file at different level. We can apply appearance to part file, we can apply appearance to a solid body, we can apply appearance to a feature or surface in part file environment. And we can apply appearance to an assembly or a component in an assembly environment. In this video I am going to discuss about the level of the hierarchy in details relating to SolidWorks. At the end of this tutorial you would be able to fully understand how this hierarchy is working and you will not get any confusion in the future. If you find this video useful, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss another one. Let's get started and stay tuned. I have got an assembly file here. I'm going to open up a part file from this assembly file. I will open up this part file and apply some colors. Press Ctrl 7, and this part file has got 3 solid bodies and few features, 3 extrude feature and 3 fillet feature. And this is how the hierarchy is going to work. When I apply a color to whole part, the whole part is going to change the color. And when I apply a color to a solid body, the part color is overridden by solid body color. Then when I apply color to a feature color, solid body color is overridden by the feature color. And next I'm going to apply color to a surface. In that case you can see the feature color is overridden by surface color. So that is the hierarchy. The surface is the highest, next is the feature, and next is the solid body. Finally the last item in the hierarchy is the part file. Let's see how this is working. And I'm going to apply the color to the whole part file. Select the file and go to edit appearance. There are more than one way of doing this. I'm just following this method. And next you can apply color you want. I'm going to select this color and hit OK. Now when I apply the color to the whole part is going to change. Now let's apply color to a solid body. I'm going to apply color to this solid body, and you can use this context toolbar as well to apply color, and click on this appearance, and now you can see the part file has already got the color. I'm going to apply appearance to the solid body. When I apply appearance to the solid body, you can see the part color is overridden by the solid body color. And next let's apply appearance to a feature. Now I'm going to select this fillet feature. You can see the fillet feature is highlighted. When I apply the color to this fillet feature, you will notice that the solid body color is overridden by the feature color. Click on this feature and click on appearance and select this fillet feature. And from this drop down list actually you can sort of have a clear picture how these colors are applied. The part color is applied to the part file already, and we have applied the color to this solid body, and finally next I'm going to apply color to this fillet feature. Click on this fillet feature and you can select the color from this table, or you can actually click on this and pick the color you want. I'm going to select this color and click OK and click OK. Now you can see the feature color, the solid body color is overridden by the feature color. Now let's see what will happen when I apply color to a surface. I'm going to select this surface and apply color to this surface. Click on this appearance, and again from this drop down list you can see how the colors are applied. Select the face and pick the color you want and click OK. Now you can see the feature color is overridden by the surface color. When you click on this surface and click on this drop down list, you can see how the colors are applied. The part color is the lowest, and the next solid body, then fillet, then face. So this is how the color is going to change in part and file environment. And I'm going to save the file, and I hope by now you understand how this color hierarchy is working in the part file environment. Now let's move into the assembly environment. I have saved the file, and let's move to the assembly file. Now you can see all the color that I have applied in the part level is showing in the assembly level. And again we can apply appearances in the assembly level as well. Let's see what will happen. I can apply an appearance to this part file, which is the file that we just edited. To apply appearance to the part file in assembly level, and select the file, right click on the file and then select appearance. When you click on this appearance, you can see again the similar hierarchy. So this is the part file appearance. When you click on this assembly component, it will take you to the color property manager. Let's select another color to this component and click OK. Here we go. Now you can see all the appearances that I applied in part file environment is overridden in assembly environment. From here, under this column, you can see there are two semicircles. The lower circle represent the color at the part level, and the green circle represent the color in the assembly level. So now we are in an assembly environment. The color that we applied in part level is overridden by assembly color. If I remove this assembly color, we can see the part color. Let's remove this appearance. You can remove the appearance by clicking on this semicircle and remove appearance. When you remove the appearance, all the appearances that we applied in part file environments are visible. So when you expand this arrow, you can see the appearances that we applied in part level. And now we have applied an appearance. I will again apply the appearance to this file. Let's select this color and click OK. Now we are in component assembly level appearance, and let's select this sub assembly. I'm going to select this sub assembly and apply the color. I'm going to select this component and pick different color and click OK. Here we go. Now you can see the sub assembly appearance, the part level appearance in an assembly file is overridden by the sub assembly appearance. And now let's see what will happen when I apply the appearance to the whole file, whole assembly file. I'm going to select this whole assembly file and right click and go to appearance, and I'm going to add a different color to this whole assembly. Here we go. Now you can see all the appearances that I add in part level and sub assembly level are overridden by the main assembly color. So this is not confusing if you understand this theory properly and accurately. Let's open up another assembly that has this as a sub-assembly. I'm going to open up this assembly, and now you can see the appearances that I apply to the features, solid body, surfaces, parts and sub-assemblies are overridden by the assembly color. So now in this main assembly we haven't applied any color yet, but therefore it is showing the appearances that I applied in sub-assembly level. So let's appearance different color to this main assembly. Right click and select appearance and select the part, the assembly file, and I'm going to pick another different color and click OK. Press Ctrl 7. Now you can see the colors that we applied before is overridden by main assembly color. And here is another thing that I have to mention. When you go to edit appearance, in this appearance property manager, you have two options. You can apply color to an assembly level, or you can apply color to part level. When you change this option, the appearance would be applied to the part level, and in this option the appearance would be applied to the whole assembly. And using this below display status radio buttons, you can control how the colors are showing for each different display states. I hope this is useful and you have understood how the hierarchy is working, and in the future you won't get lost if you have understood this clearly and try to play around with this appearance and applying different colors. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video.